You've probably seen plenty of beautiful planner spreads with perfect handwriting and color-coordinated decorations on YouTube or Instagram. But who has the time or energy for that? To get the aesthetic planner look without putting in all that effort, keep watching for shortcuts that lazy people will love. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how we make easy weekly spreads, but most of these tricks can be used for daily spreads too. We recommend starting off with a dot grid notebook. That way, when you're just drawing out lines and boxes by hand, you won't need to bust out a ruler. Just follow the dots. Before jumping into the week, consider using Stalogy calendar stickers to start off each month. Each sticker is an undated monthly calendar, so you can fill in the dates and start using them anytime. They feature a light adhesive and peel off cleanly if you change your mind. A great alternative to writing out or drawing headers is using washi tape. We love using these charming Marks washi tapes. There are plenty of adorable designs to choose from, so you're sure to find one that matches your aesthetic. Each roll of tape is perforated, so you don't even need a pair of scissors. Just tear, stick it on the page, and you're done. Once you've gotten headers out of the way, pat yourself on the back for making it this far. Now comes the real work, filling out the planner with tasks. If you like lists, use tape like this one from BGM to make instant checkboxes. We recommend writing on it with a ballpoint pen or permanent marker. If your weekly to-do list doesn't change that much, why write it over and over again? Instead, dump your tasks into a master to-do list for the week. When the next week comes, just reuse the to-do lists until they won't stick anymore. If you're too lazy to make a fresh list, just tape it down with washi tape. We promise we won't tell. Lots of people like to create their own habit trackers, but that's so time-consuming. Midori Journal habit trackers do all the hard work for you. The trackers feature a monthly calendar design with a blank heading, so you can fill in your habits there. Their petite size allows you to fit them in anywhere in your spread, and they're restickable. What a plus! Now that you've established your planner's layout and filled it with tasks, it's time to decorate. You don't need to be a master doodler to make your planner look pretty. Here are some of our favorite tricks to spruce up a spread. Pens. With Kuretake clean colored dot markers, you can easily create perfect circles. Just stamp with the round dot tip to create a small circle, and press firmly for a larger circle. Plus, the markers have a fine tip on the other end, so you'll have one less pen to carry around. Use them to add cute dotted accents and drawings, or fill in your habit tracker. Hot tip, these are actually some of my personal favorites. I like using them for checklists. As far as decorating goes though, if you're worried about your colors clashing, try these Kokuyo Mark Plus two-way marker pens. The ink colors of the two tips are pre-coordinated, so you don't need to fret about colors not matching. You can choose the gray version, which pairs gray with a soft color, or the tone version, which features brightly colored ink with a softer hue of the same color. I mean, these are kind of the coolest. Stamps. Add a bit of antique charm with fun stamps like these Midori paintable stamps. Each stamp includes an assortment of themed designs. All you have to do is press the top and bottom of the stamp together, push the red lock button on the side of the stamp, then rotate the dial to the pattern you want. It fits nicely into calendar squares, like in the Stalogy calendar stickers. Stickers and washi tapes. Not in the mood to pick up a pen? These Midori planner stickers liven up any planner spread without the need for drawing. The adorable designs include cute animals and activities, so you'll have a sticker for every occasion. You can even use them in lieu of writing words in your planner. Washi tape is also great for decorating. Kingjim Kita washi tapes are already pre-cut and ready to stick. perfect for adding quick accents and borders to your spread. They're easy to remove and reapply in case you want to adjust or reuse the strips the next week. With a wide variety of charming designs, you'll never run out of patterns to use. If all of that sounded like a little bit much for you, but you still like watching pretty planners, subscribe. We won't tell if you just watch our videos and don't do anything. But anyway, thanks for watching. Ink colors of the two tips are pre-coordinated. Besides decoration accents, they also offer days of the week. So, you know, you're all set for your planning journey. It's a one-stop shop. Add a bit of antique charm. Why am I too loud for my own good? The mic can't handle my attitude.